Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at Benchmark Bouquets. They have all kinds of fantastic flowers, but in particular we're going to focus on this bouquet of 2 dozen fresh red roses. This bouquet has about 1,300 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Awesome! This beautiful bouquet has prime overnight shipping, so orders received Mondays through Thursdays before 10 a.m. Pacific time will arrive the next day. So confirm your date at the checkout. And unfortunately there are no Saturday, Sunday, or Monday deliveries, so keep that in mind. And this might actually be the perfect gift. Check the box labeled "This is a gift" in your cart or at the checkout, and you can write a personalized message. When your flowers arrive, the recipient can peel back the shipping label to reveal your note. And don't forget to sign your name. This beautiful flower bouquet ships directly from the farm in the flower's bud stage to ensure a long life. The blooms will open in 2 or 3 days. Flowers picked in the bud stage tend to travel much better and last longer. And Benchmark's floral designers arrange each bouquet specifically to maintain quality and consistency for its overnight trip. So whether or not you're getting roses, you can count on them at least being fresh and nice. All you have to do is remove the flowers from the box, cut the stems, and place them in a vase with fresh water and a flower food packet. The package dimension is 26 by 7 by 7 inches and weighs 5.6 pounds. And now let me share with you a review from a verified purchaser called Beautiful Red Roses. Best purchase ever. I was really happy how I received the roses. Can't give a review on the vase because I didn't order one. Anyways, everything was perfect from the roses to the packaging, so thank you. We'll order for sure in the future. A gift for my mother-in-law's baby. Oh, birthday, sorry. That makes more sense. Well, there you go. Check out Benchmark Bouquets' 2 dozen red roses or any of the other beautiful flower arrangements. I think you're gonna love them.